Betelgeuse, the enormous red supergiant on the brink of a cataclysmic supernova, has a hidden companion. Its name is Alpha Ori B. This recently discovered companion star is much smaller than Betelgeuse. But don't get the wrong idea, Alpha Ori B is no slouch. It's thought to be a hot, dense blue or white star, about 1.5 times the mass of our Sun. But Betelgeuse has a diameter roughly 1,000 times larger and a mass of about 15 to 20 times greater than our Sun, making it a behemoth in comparison to its close neighbor, Alpha Ori B. This discovery not only solves a decades-old mystery, but adds an eerie new dimension to the fate of one of the Milky Way galaxy's most unstable stars. Betelgeuse is an aging red supergiant nearing the end of its life. It's burning through its nuclear fuel in a race toward its inevitable destruction. But now, the discovery of Alpha Ori B has changed how we understand Betelgeuse in the final stage of its life. Alpha Ori B orbits within just a few hundred astronomical units, more than close enough to interact gravitationally with Betelgeuse's vast, unstable atmosphere. It's possible this smaller companion has been tugging on the outer layers of Betelgeuse, triggering some of its strange behavior. Like the massive dimming event seen in 2019, when Betelgeuse mysteriously faded by over 60%. That event was initially blamed on a dust cloud, but many now wonder if Alpha Ori B played a hidden role. One of the mysteries cosmologists face is that they still don't know precisely what Alpha Ori B actually is. While current theories propose it's a white or blue star, its actual identity is still unknown. Could it be a white dwarf, a neutron star, or perhaps even something stranger? Our instruments simply don't have the resolution needed to confirm Alpha Ori B's identity with any certainty. This only deepens the mystery. The timing of Betelgeuse going supernova is another unsettling unknown. As a red supergiant, it's a prime candidate for a Type II supernova, a stellar death that will outshine every star in the sky. But despite the chaos we can detect on its surface, we have no way of peering directly into its core to know how close it is to this once-in-a-lifetime event. It could explode tonight, or even in 100,000 years. Although it may seem like an eternity to a human, both of these time scales are tiny from the perspective of the universe. There is no way for us to know with any degree of accuracy. The reality is that whatever we see happening there has already happened. Betelgeuse is about 650 light-years away, meaning we're watching the past. If the star has already detonated, it would mean that the light from that cosmic event is still on its way. If Betelgeuse were to supernova today, it would mean the explosion actually occurred in the late 1300s. There's the very real possibility that Alpha Ori B could be more than just a passive spectator like us. In binary star systems, a companion can accelerate a star's collapse by disturbing its balance and siphoning off material from its outer layers. It's possible Alpha Ori B could become the very trigger that sends Betelgeuse into supernova oblivion. And if the supernova does occur, the story might not end there. Alpha Ori B could be hurled into deep space or even remain in orbit around the collapsed core of Betelgeuse. It could even lead to the creation of something incredibly rare, an object called a Thorne Żytkow star. This happens when a neutron star, one of the densest objects in the universe, gets engulfed by the outer layers of a giant star. The result is a bizarre hybrid, a star with a normal outer appearance but hiding a crushed ultra-dense core deep inside. The discovery of Alpha Ori B transforms Betelgeuse from a dying star into a multifaceted cosmic drama. It's a ticking time bomb with a nearby companion that may be influencing its ultimate fate in ways we're only beginning to understand.